Namaste. As an Ayurvedic doctor, I would like to say few words about the present pandemic situation of COVID because all are very much frightened and they are frightened for unknown cause. In the sense, we are not seeing through our eyes these viruses, bacteria, and other things, and we are simply getting what we say in the making tension or worry, etc. So, first of all, I would like to convey that what is the role of these viruses and bacteria in this universe. Actually, the viruses are not the one which kills or attack the human being in the healthy state. Actually, there is a rule for these viruses. They will not violate their rule. Only the human beings are violating the nature's rule. These viruses and bacteria, their aim is to enter into the unhealthy situation, or wherever there is dirt or waste material, they have to enter itself and decompose itself and make that part a part of the earth or the soil. So the decomposition happens because of the virus, and it will not attack in a healthy state also, or wherever there is waste material, it will attack in that state. So many trillions of bacteria and viruses are there in our stomach itself, otherwise we will not be able to survive here. And even human beings are also, it's a part of virus itself. So it's not the time to panic against this virus, but we should have a rapport with the virus. Earlier it was like antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, all those, we are against this virus. We thought that we can kill these viruses and we can live happy for long. But nowadays the concept has changed, because right now the science has gone with a realization that we can't kill this virus and live happily. We should be having a rapport with this virus. That's why the concept of probiotics and prebiotics came to the new concept came to the science. So for example, in the case of COVID also, right now we came to know that it has been got mutation almost 24 to 26 times where there were before. So they are also changing day by day. How come we can resist each and every mutation of this virus? It's impossible. So kindly know that wherever there is waste, their virus will attack. So there are a few points to tackle it, or to have a rapport with this virus. So we should have some idea in our mind how we can resist this virus by attacking ourselves. So each and every individual, wherever our government is saying all the rules and regulations, you should follow those regulations. This is absolutely for an individual to take care of his body, because this is the peak time to take care of yourself. Nobody will take care of you unless until Guru Sri Ravi Shankar ji once told that unless until you permit your mind to enter the worrying and the tension to go inside, it will not hurt you. Like that, the virus will attack you unless until you give permission to enter. How you can give permission when your body is having much of impurity or waste material in your body? Virus will attack you, or it's the case where you are giving green signal for the virus to enter into your body. So how we can tackle it? There are 5 things to take care of this virus. In a broad vision, the first one is Sharira Shuddhi, the bodily cleansing in the sense the shuddhi of the sharira. Second one is the manashuddhi. Third one is the hridaya shuddhi. Fourth one is the koshta shuddhi. Fifth one is the kosha shuddhi. These are the panja shuddhis that you should take care of. So first one, we will come to the sharira shuddhi. What is the main cause for this? We have to take care of the sharira. In the sense, you have to take care of the food. You have to take care of all the food activities as well as the acidic nature of the food. In the sense, these viruses will attack, or it is having a shelter wherever there is acidic nature in the body. If you are having acidic nature in the blood, that blood will be attacked by the virus. It should be alkaline in nature. Wherever there is the bone, we call it as bone cancer also, even bone osteoarthritis also. In that condition also, the body acidic nature we have to take care. So what are all the things should take care to make your body acidic to alkaline? Only 3 things in a broad way for all people can follow. First thing is, you should avoid red chilies in your diet. Instead of that, you can use green chili, pepper, ginger, etc. Second one, you can fully 100% you should avoid the fried items. Whatever the oil that you use, you should not fry it and use. Make it without frying. Third one is the food which contains sour in nature. That sour flavor or sour taste will just increase your acidic nature in the body. So better avoid these kind of food to have a sharira shuddhi. Second one is the manashuddhi. Manashuddhi in the sense, be pleasant always. I used to say to my patients that better avoid hearing those news which make you panic situation. Because we know that whenever you put a news channel, private news channel, there will be some or other way to make you panic, because otherwise you will change the channel. So it's better 24 hours they will get a hot news, and they will make it hot. So better keep some channel or hear the news like Doordarshan or something like that. Get the news from the government and other social activities, but it's not control your mind. That is the main thing. That news which you hear should not control your mind, so that your manashuddhi will go. You should be pleasant in nature. The third one, what we say, is hridaya shuddhi. Hridaya shuddhi means our emotions. Emotions means, even if you are having a quarrel with some other people, you keep that in mind, that jealousy, that hatredness, everything will act as a enemy with your mind. So be happy and be free. I used to say that give forgiveness and seek forgiveness. You should, if somebody has done something to you, just forgive them so that you will be free. Okay. And if you have done something to somebody, so just seek forgiveness. Okay, I am sorry. Okay, so that your mind will be free enough to have a healthy mind and body. Mind is having direct relation with the body. Whenever there is any disease in the body, that will affect the mind. Whenever there is any derangement in the mind, that will affect the body. That's why even in low back pain also, the people, those who are having tension and worry in the work or in the family, they will have more back pain during those days whenever they are getting worried. So better leave all those things, find a path to have a good mind, pleasant mind. The fourth one is the koshta shuddhi, in the sense the elimination of proper waste material from the body. The very first thing, as you know, the elimination through the stool. In the sense, whatever you take, you should have a proper evacuation of stool, the proper evacuation of urine, the proper evacuation of your sweat, proper evacuation of the mala, the waste material from the eyes, waste material from the nose. Each and every waste material you should throw it out in time and according to your food intake also. So better take care of that, otherwise that waste material will be a shelter for these virus to go inside. That is the time that you show the green signal for the virus, okay, you can come to me and attack me. So you are the gatekeeper, you are the culprit to get the attack from the virus and bacteria. So that Koshta Shuddhi should be done timely. Many medicines are there, many other things are there, but you should know the concept why we are saying this. Medicines, anyway, you will get it all idea from the internet. Okay, the fifth one is the Kosha Shuddhi. In the sense, you have to open up your skin. Even skin is also having a mala, in the sense waste. That's why more of skin cancers are coming nowadays. So you should have proper sweating in proper time. Do some exercise daily. If you do 20 rounds of Surya Namaskara, that will be more than enough, so that you will have proper concentration, proper aim, your mind will be more healthy, and you should know what should be done. So these Pancha Shuddhis is the basic thing, and wherever there is waste, absolutely the virus is having work on that area. Otherwise these viruses are all the simple people. Even we are originated from these viruses and bacteria. They were here since long back, even when we human beings came out. Before that also viruses was there. So they are the first being which had the control over this universe. We are the guests, and we are trying to make them to eradicate. So this is not the proper way. So better, if you are having any doubts, you feel free to contact me through email or WhatsApp, or we will have a discussion and make your body healthy. After doing this Panchashuddhis, if you are having any immune related issues, you can just contact me. We will have an online consultation and we will clarify. If needed, you can have some of the Ayurvedic medications also. Medications are all secondary, what I feel. First of all, you have to take care of your food. Second thing, take care of your mind. Third thing, proper exercise is needed. And the pleasantness, as Ayurveda says, who is the Swastha Purusha, in the sense who is the healthy person. WHO is also having nowadays same definition for health. What Ayurveda says is Samadosha, Sama Agnischa, Samadhadu Malakriyaha Prasanna Atma Indriya Mana Swastha It Abhidiyade. In the sense, who is a healthy person, who is having sama doshas, all our body doshas. You would have heard about Vata, Pitta, Kapha and all. It's in the equilibrium stage. Samadhatu, our 7 elements in our body, is in a proper working state. Samadosha, Samatnischa, and Agni, our proper the Agni, in the sense the digestive power should be proper enough to have proper nutrient absorption in our body. Malakriyaha, what I said, all the malas, the waste product from all our indriyas, even stool, urine, sweat, eyes, etc., etc., it should be proper enough. Daily it should happen. Prasanna Atma Indriyaha, that is the main thing. You should have Prasanna Atma. The soul should be pure. Your intention should be pure. Prasanna Indriya. Prasanna Indriya sense, we are having 5 sense organs. All the sense organs are intact in nature, and the sense organ relation with the brain center is also having a relation with our sense organ. That relation, the impulse passage also should be proper. Prasanna Manaha, the manas should be pleasant enough to have a good thought. Don't be panic. Be safe. Do all these things. And if any doubt, just contact and any of the Ayurvedic doctor. Be take this concept inside, not medicines. So if you need further, if you need any medication also, Ayurveda is having a lot of medicines, but these are the concept behind why we are recommending medications also. Simply if you take medication and not seeing all these things means utter nonsense, what I feel, because food is your main medicine. If you don't see the food, if you take medicine also, there will be no use. So better think this concept, and if it is true enough, just go ahead. Don't be panic and be safe. Loga samasta sukhino bhavantu.